Yo, if you are serious about making money online and you haven't joined LiveGood yet, you definitely need to take the 5-minute LiveGood tour. And you can do that by clicking the first link in the description. Now let's get to the video. Yo, I'm about to share with you how YouTube plus LiveGood equals multiple streams of income. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, without a doubt, LiveGood is one of the best affiliate marketing, network marketing opportunities out there. But a lot of people, when they sign up, they ask me like, yo, what's the best way to promote my LiveGood business? Now, to be fair, there's a lot of different ways that you can make money with LiveGood. But I always tell people, hey, you on YouTube, right? You got a YouTube channel. Some people say they do. Some people say they don't, but I always recommend using YouTube to promote LiveGood. Why? Because it actually will add more income streams to your overall business. Because yes, there are some cool ass ways to promote your LiveGood business. You can use Instagram. There's people using Facebook. There's people using TikTok. And there's people going offline and doing vendor events and having business cards and flyers, all that, right? And all that stuff work. But the majority of those methods, those strategies, can't create other income streams besides the LiveGood, right? Now, one thing you should know about LiveGood, you can actually make money with LiveGood in 6 different ways, right? But right now, I'm just going to give you the 2 most popular and, in my opinion, the ways that you can make the most money with LiveGood. Now, the first one is a $25 fast start bonus. So for every personal referral that you bring into LiveGood, you're going to get a one-time $25 commission. And this is dope in itself because, a lot of people just like that, right? So you get, 4 commissions a week. That's an extra $100, right? But the second way, and this is probably the most profitable way by far actually that you can make money with LiveGood, is their 50% matching bonus. All right, so for every personal affiliate that you bring into LiveGood, you're going to get a 50% matching check bonus. So if you bring in, say, Tom, right, and Tom just goes crazy with LiveGood and starts making $2,000 a month from Tom's little matrix, you're going to get $1,000 a month, right? 50% of what Tom is bringing in. So you got to ask yourself, like, damn, what could it be if I had 50 affiliates? If I bring in 100 affiliates, you're going to get a 50% matching bonus for every person. To be honest with you, this is how those people that you hear about earning $30,000, $20,000 a month in LiveGood, this is how, right? This is how, from the 50% matching bonus. So I'm sure you can see just off of those 2 out of 6 ways you can make money with LiveGood, LiveGood is well worth the opportunity, right? But when you decide to promote your LiveGood business on YouTube, now you open up for more income streams. The first way you can get paid is from YouTube ads. Now, once you reach YouTube's guidelines for getting your channel monetized, you can start getting paid for having ads on your videos. Now, getting your channel monetized, I'm pretty sure is you need 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 watch hours, but they might have actually lowered that. I'm not sure. You just gotta check it out for yourself. So now when you upload a video to your channel, not only can you get leads and commissions for your LiveGood business, you can actually earn money from your YouTube ads. Now, another way you can make money is when your channel gets bigger, you actually got the opportunity to get brand deals. Now, this does take, a bigger channel. You're probably gonna need at least 10,000 subscribers, and you should be getting a lot of views to your videos. But once you hit that, don't be surprised if you're going to get some businesses reaching out to you, asking you to, hey, will you promote us and we'll pay you this amount of money, blah, 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 blah. You can actually start getting brand deals from your YouTube channel. Another income stream that you can create by having a YouTube channel with your LiveGood business is live streams. All right, because they have it where if you decide to go live, say you could do a live stream talking about LiveGood and the business and or whatever, And you can actually earn from super chats. That's when people are watching your videos and they can just donate money. Some people might give you $1. Some people might give you $100, right? Now be aware, YouTube do take like 30%, but hey, you still getting that 70% of whatever, people gave you. Imagine if your following gets up there and you do, one live stream every other week or once a month. That's some nice extra cash you could be making. So another way that you can make money from your YouTube channel, and it's actually my favorite way, is affiliate marketing. So now that you have a YouTube channel, you actually can talk about other things, and they can actually even be related to your LiveGood business. So say, for example, you're an affiliate of a, Facebook marketing course, right? So you can actually talk about that course on your YouTube channel and direct people to that course and start earning commissions. So you could even talk about motivational books that can help people in their LiveGood business, right? So you could be an affiliate of that book, right? And all you got to do is just put those links in the description of your video underneath, right, your LiveGood affiliate link. Now, if you decide to go with having a YouTube channel to promote LiveGood, you want to be consistent, all right? And you want to try to post as much content as you can. If you can, at least do one video a week, all right? Now, if you can do multiple videos a week, then get it in, because the more content you put out, the more opportunity and ultimately the more money you can make with your channel as well as in your LiveGood business. There being 6 different ways that you can make money with LiveGood, and the 4 ways that you can make money from having a YouTube channel, the earning potential is crazy. And I'm sure you see that by now. So if you are not currently a member of LiveGood and you ready to get started, all you gotta do is click that first link in the description, and I will see you on the team.